a day.
That's what you think.
That's nice. Well, congratulations to both of you guys. Here are your prizes. 2 free tickets to the Twilight Drive-In Movie Theater, available on any weeknight. 2 free passes to Robert Hall. And last but not least, your trophies, prepared by Miss Schneider's art class. Weren't they terrific? Come on, let's hear it for these kids. I just want to say before we wrap things up, the Zoo Ride Kids are the greatest.
Good afternoon.